Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I tried a product for the very first time that I was absolutely amazed by that I wanted to share with you. So we're going to do a nighttime routine video and we're filming in my bathroom, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first product I've talked about before, this is the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. This cleanser is amazing. My husband and I both love it because it's fragrance free, it's non-drying, but it's very effective in cleaning your face. After using that product, I used the Hydro Boost Exfoliating Cleanser by Neutrogena, and this product tonight just blew me away. It says it gently exfoliates while boosting hydration, and it did both of those things. So I want to explain to you why I needed something that was gentle yet hydrating. So I started using the Neutrogena Rapid Repair Wrinkle Line, and I started with the daytime one with the SPF of 30, and I absolutely love it. It's so lightweight. It goes great under CC creams and foundations. I loved it so much that I went out and bought more of the line. So I started using the nighttime cream, which also has retinol in it, just like the daytime. And I immediately started to dry out, and my face when I would wash it was burning. And it was just, my skin obviously does not play well with retinol. But when I was using just the daytime one, it was fine. So I decided I'll just cut out the nighttime one, but I want to get rid of the dead skin. So with that being said, I was looking for an exfoliant. However, I didn't want something that was going to do any damage to the area that I just had frozen last week from the dermatologist because it's still healing. So that's why I wanted something that was gentle yet hydrating. So I picked it up to try it, and let me tell you a little bit about it. It has like this fruity soapy smell. I don't really know how else to describe it. It is a clear gel, and when I put it on my face and I started rubbing it around, to be honest with you, I thought that it was doing nothing. Like, I didn't feel it doing anything because I'm used to things that have more grit in them, and so I thought, oh wow, this is a waste of money. I don't really think it's going to do what it claims. Then I got out of the shower and I looked in the mirror and I was floored. I literally said wow, because if you can see, I don't know if you can, but all of the dead skin is completely gone, and my face is actually glowing and it feels hydrated. It did exactly what it said it would do. Like, I am so amazed because I thought it was doing nothing. So if you have not tried this, I highly recommend that you go out and get this. I think you're really, really going to enjoy it. After that, I always put a toner on. I started using a toner about a year ago. I didn't really understand why people like toners because I always found them to be very drying until I got this one in a, I think it was in a Christmas like free gift from Lancome, and it's so hydrating. Oh my gosh, I love this. And it does a great job at balancing out your skin after washing it. So I put about a dime size on just a regular cotton round and put it all around. The only thing that I don't like is the price point. To me, it's pretty pricey for a toner. So if you have one that is good for sensitive skin, that's hydrating and effective, I would love to hear in the comments below what you use, because I would love to try something that's just as effective, but at a better price point. And then after the toner, if I ever have any acne, which I happen to have one right under my chin tonight, I was researching online for something other than Proactive, and I found this DermaE. And the reason why I was looking for something else is the Proactive was dyeing my shirts and my pillowcases. So all I do with the DermaE is just like Proactive, I just put a little bit right on there and just let it sit overnight. And to me, this is just as effective, and the timeline is the same of how Proactive healed my pimples. It reduces the redness and takes it away quicker. No different, except for it doesn't dye my clothes and my pillowcases. So that is like a huge bonus to me. And then after that, if I am breaking out with lots of pimples, then I usually would go in and wipe my face with a Desert Essence Natural Tea Tree Oil pad. I love these for cleaning your face if you're very acne prone and you need to get it under control. But I don't really need that tonight. And then I usually end with a lotion. I was using, as I said, the Neutrogena Rapid Repair line, but I stopped and I needed something else. So this happened to be right next to the exfoliant. I've used the Hydro Boost Gel Cream before by Neutrogena. I told you it's just okay, in my opinion. I have combination skin, and I think that if you had oily skin, you'd really enjoy this because it is gel-based. But with my combination skin, I don't really see it doing too much other than just giving me a boost of hydration. I don't really see any other benefit from it. So I would really like to find a nighttime cream that is good for sensitive skin, that obviously does not have a retinol, but has a little bit more benefit than just hydration. And then don't forget to also make sure you always put it down on your neck too. So if you have one, please share in the comments below, because I would love to find something else and not repurchase this when it's gone. And then I, at nighttime, also put on a lip. This is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Cocoa Butter. I love this. It does a great job hydrating your lips, but making them very plump, and I just really enjoy it. And then a last product I want to share with you is brushes, actually. About a year and a half ago, I was talking to my best friend about brushing our daughter's hair and how they can sometimes be hard on their hair, and without having to use any extra sprays to get out any kinks or anything like that. So she recommended the wet brush, and I have to tell you, I love this. This is my daughter's. It glides through her hair so wonderfully. We don't have any problems with brushing her hair after bath time, so this is really great. So I wanted one for myself, but I have very thick hair and it takes a while to dry. So if I ever want to dry it, I bought this one for me because it has the open ridges for the air to go through and dry my hair quicker. And the bristles are a little bit wider set, so it does better with my curly, semi-curly, very thick hair. So I really enjoy that. So if you like the content that you see, I hope that you will subscribe to my channel, and I thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful night. Thanks. Bye.